Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. These hiking boots my husband got are one of the best ones. Let me show you why. These hiking boots from ROCKROOSTER are not your typical hiking boots. These are waterproof and anti-fatigue. Not only are these boots beautiful and stylish on the outside, but something very unique, it's the insole it's added to it. It provides a lot of comfort and arch support. My husband loves wearing these on daily basis just to go out for a walk, to go to the park, or go hiking. You can literally walk long distance with these shoes knowing that it will provide comfort, and it also provides cushioning stability, and it distributes your foot pressure to reduce the impact of every step. They are so comfortable, and if you're not happy within a year, the company will exchange it for free. Comfort is more important than style, but when you can have both of them, it's priceless, and that is my point of view.